Jake, imagine this. You are on the street, you are lost, you need help. In the next few minutes, people listening will know exactly what to say.
Good, because when that happens to me, I just stop walking and panic quietly.
Okay, first thing, you see someone. You say, "Excuse me."
Excuse me.
Then you ask for help. You say, "Can you help me?"
Can you help me?
That is already two good sentences. Now add one more. I am lost.
I am lost.
This is enough for real life, but let us add one useful word.
Okay.
The word is near. Near means close, not far.
Near.
You can ask, "Is the bus stop near here?"
Is the bus stop near here?
Good. Now let us add one more place. Bank.
Bank. I always need a bank.
You say, "Is there a bank near here?"
Is there a bank near here?
Very normal, very common.
So I can change the place. Bank, cafe, bathroom.
Yes, cafe works well.
Trying again. Excuse me, can you help me? Is there a cafe near here?
That sounds like something people really say.
Nice. That is already 4 sentences. My brain likes this.
And in a moment, we will make it even more useful with directions, not just places.
Okay, now I'm listening.
Okay, now let us move a little. You still need help, but this time you want directions.
Good. This is the hard part for me.
First sentence, how do I get to the station?
How do I get to the station?
Second sentence, is it far from here?
Is it far from here?
Now, 3 useful words. The first word is left.
Left.
People may say, turn left.
Turn left.
Second word, right.
Right.
Turn right.
Turn right.
Third word, straight.
Straight.
Go straight.
So I hear left, right, straight.
Exactly. Now let us build 2 more full sentences.
Okay.
Go straight, then turn left.
Go straight, then turn left.
Last one. It is not far.
It is not far.
In a moment, we will put all of this together in one short street conversation.
All right, that sounds useful.
Okay, quick check. In the next moments, you will be able to ask for directions and understand the answer without freezing. This is where it starts to feel real.
Good, because this is the part where I usually smile and still get lost.
So imagine this. You ask, "How do I get to the station?" The person answers.
Okay, I am ready.
They say, "Go straight and turn right."
Go straight and turn right.
Now, one new word, corner. Corner means where 2 streets meet.
Corner.
They may say, "Turn right at the corner."
Turn right at the corner.
Good. One more useful word, across.
Across.
Across means on the other side. For example, the bank is across the street.
The bank is across the street.
Now, the last word for this part, next to.
Next to.
The cafe is next to the bank.
So across is other side, next to is very close.
Yes, that is it.
So I can hear go straight, turn right at the corner, the cafe is next to the bank.
Exactly. That is a real street answer.
I still might walk the wrong way, but at least now I understand the words.
And in a moment, we will deal with the most real situation of all, when you do not understand and need the person to repeat.
Okay, that one I really need.
All right, this is the moment many people worry about. You hear directions, but you do not understand.
Yes, this happens to me a lot.
So here are sentences you can use right away. First one, sorry, can you say that again?
Sorry, can you say that again?
Second sentence, can you speak more slowly?
Can you speak more slowly?
Third sentence, I do not understand.
I do not understand.
These three sentences are enough in real life.
Good. I do not need to explain my whole life story.
Exactly. Now, three useful words people may say when they repeat.
Okay.
First word, after. After means later.
After.
After the bank, turn left.
After the bank. Turn left.
Second word, before. Before means earlier.
Before.
Before the bridge, turn right.
Before the bridge, turn right.
Last word, between.
Between.
The cafe is between the bank and the shop.
The cafe is between the bank and the shop.
So now you can ask, listen, and ask again if needed.
This feels real. This is what actually happens.
And in a moment, we will put everything together in one short, natural street conversation.
All right, let us do that.
Okay, Jake, now it is time. Let us do a real practice. You will ask for directions, and I will answer. Ready?
Ready. I hope I do not make mistakes.
First, start with, excuse me.
Excuse me.
Good. Now ask, can you help me? I am lost.
Can you help me? I am lost.
Perfect. Now add a place. Try, how do I get to the bank?
How do I get to the bank?
Excellent. The answer is go straight, turn right at the corner. The bank is next to the cafe.
Go straight, turn right at the corner. The bank is next to the cafe.
Great. Now imagine you did not understand. What do you say?
Sorry, can you say that again? Can you speak more slowly? I do not understand.
Perfect. Now I will repeat, but slowly. Go straight, turn right at the corner. The bank is next to the cafe.
Go straight, turn right at the corner. The bank is next to the cafe.
Awesome. Now another place. Try, how do I get to the shop?
How do I get to the shop?
Answer, after the bank, turn left. The shop is between the cafe and the library.
After the bank, turn left. The shop is between the cafe and the library.
Excellent. One more round, but faster this time. Start with, excuse me, can you help me?
Excuse me, can you help me?
I am lost. How do I get to the library?
I am lost. How do I get to the library?
Go straight, turn left at the corner. The library is next to the shop.
Go straight, turn left at the corner. The library is next to the shop.
See? That is a full practice. You can now ask for directions, understand answers, and ask again if needed.
Wow, that was real. I can really do it now.
Yes, you learned many sentences and words. Near, corner, across, next to, after, before, between. Keep practicing with real people.
Thanks, Emma. I feel ready for the street now.
Thank you, everyone, for listening to our English podcast. Keep practicing these real English conversation sentences and enjoy speaking English.
Yes, try it tomorrow when you go outside. It works.
See you next time. Keep learning and have fun.
Bye-bye.